Hey, today we're going to chat about something that might sound a bit like it's straight out a spy movie, but trust me, it's something every influencer needs to get clued up on. We're talking NDA, that's non disclosure agreement. Wondering what the heck that is and why you should care? Let's dive in. This is Thomas Gula here. Hit that subscribe button for Legal for You. What's an NDA? An NDA is like a secret code for social media superheroes. It's a deal that says, hey, I'm going to give you some top secret intel, but you got to promise not to spill the beans to anyone. In the influencer world, it's like the golden rule. You get the lowdown on new products, upcoming campaigns, or hush hush marketing strategies, but your lips got to stay sealed. Not a gold Rolex, but know how can be even more precious. Why does it matter? First up, protecting the goods. Let's start with the basics. In the influencer biz, info is currency. Getting the scoop on a new product is like scoring a golden ticket. But what if that ticket accidentally slips out of your pocket? That's where the NDA steps in. Keeping the surprise element in marketing, the wow factor at a product launch is priceless. As an influencer, you get a peek at what's going to be revealed down the line. The NDA makes sure you can help the brand keep that surprise factor, which is key for a product's success. Guarding against the competition. In a world where everyone wants to be first, info on new products is like gold. If the competition got wind of it early, they could use that intel to their advantage. The NDA helps prevent such scenarios, protecting the strategy of the company you're working with. Quick break here. If you're digging this topic and want to dive deeper, get a template of such an agreement and a checklist. Check out my course, link in the comment. Okay, moving on. Building trust with brands. When a brand knows you can keep a secret, it builds trust. You show you're not just creative, but also reliable. That opens doors to better, more exclusive collabs in the future. Preventing misunderstandings. Sometimes info can get twisted or misunderstood if it leaks early. The NDA helps ensure that info is presented the way the brand intended, which is crucial for maintaining their image, protecting your rep. As an influencer, your rep is your biggest asset. Breaking an NDA can lead to serious legal trouble and damage to your image. Sticking to the NDA not only protects the brand, but also your rep as a pro in the industry. Remember, the NDA isn't just protection for the brand, but for you too. It's a deal that helps keep things balanced and ensures everyone's on the same page. In a world full of spoilers and leaks, the NDA is your personal secret keeper. Another key point on why the NDA matters, the professionalism. Let's talk about professionalism in the context of NDAs. As an influencer, you're not just a content creator, but also a business partner for brands. Professionalism in this role is key, and the NDA plays a big part. 1. Building a professional image. Signing an NDA shows you're a serious player in the game. It signals to brands that you get the value and importance of the info you're given. Taking your role seriously translates to how both current and potential business partners see you. 2. Boosting credibility. Sticking to the NDA boosts your credibility. It shows you're responsible and trustworthy. In a world where trust is currency, this can be your biggest asset. 3. Opening doors to better opportunities. Brands often look for influencers who can maintain professionalism. Adhering to the NDA can open doors to more prestigious and lucrative projects. Companies prefer to invest in someone who can keep a secret and understands the importance of confidentiality. 4. Developing long-term relationships. Professionalism is key to building long-term relationships with brands. When a company knows it can rely on you, they're more likely to continue the partnership. This can lead to steady partnerships and a more stable income source. 5. Avoiding legal conflicts. The NDA is also protection against potential legal conflicts. Breaking the agreement can lead to serious consequences, including lawsuits. Following the NDA isn't just about professionalism, but also about steering clear of unnecessary legal troubles. Remember, as an influencer, you're a brand yourself. Your actions, including how you handle confidential info, directly impact how you're perceived in the industry. The NDA isn't just a document, it's part of your professional DNA. That's all for now. In upcoming episodes, I'll break down more nuances of NDA agreements. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Legal for You.